finding of square roots of an algebraic expression by method number 2. In an advanced level. So here the second method is of the division method in finding the square roots of an algebraic expression. So here let us perform this by means of one illustration in a stepwise manner. We are going to find the square root or find out the square root of an algebraic expression which is not the monomial or which is not a monomial by the second method. That is division method. So here we are going to perform the method number 2, which is nothing but the division method. So in this division method, that too by stepwise manner, by an illustration. So here we are going to find out the square root of an algebraic expression which is not a monomial by the second method, that is division method, by stepwise manner, by an illustration. So here the illustration is off, that is example. So we have to find the square root of the algebraic expression which is so we have to find out the square root of the algebraic expression which is nothing but 9x square minus 24x plus 19 minus 4 by x plus 1 divided by 4x square. So we have to find out the square root of this particular algebraic expression consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 terms. There are 5 terms. 9x square is the first term, second term is of 24x with negative sign, third term is of 19 with positive, fourth term is of 4 by x with negative sign, and the last term, that is the fifth term, is of 1 by 4x square with positive. So we have to find out the square root of this particular algebraic expression. Solution starts now. So here in this particular solution, so as per the problem, the given algebraic expression is of so 9x square minus 24x plus 19 minus 4 by x, then now plus 1 divided by 4x square is the given algebraic expression. So here, in order to find out the square root of this particular algebraic expression, so first of all, there are fractions. Say the denominator of the fourth term is of x and the denominator of the last term, that is the fifth term, is of 4x square. So here that implies here in this particular algebraic expression, so I want to take the LCM. So here LCM is of, the denominator is of 4x square of the last term and the last but one term is of x. So here 4x square and x square, LCM is of 4x square then. So 4x square is the LCM. So here the remaining terms, the denominators are of 1 in each up to third term. The fourth term denominator is of x and the fifth term denominator is of 4x square, which is the greatest one, then that itself is the LCM. Then now here, for the further simplification, so numerator is of 9x square, I wrote the 9x square as it is, then now multiplied with, so one number of times, so here 1 is the denominator of the first term and the LCM is of 4x square, so one number of times is of 4x square terms, so here I mean 4x square, 1 into 4x square is of 4x square as the LCM, minus numerator is of 24x, I wrote minus 24x as it is, multiplied with, here one number of times to get LCM, that is 4x square, is of 4x square. So here 1 into 4x square is of 4x square as the LCM, plus 19 written as it is, multiplied with one number of times here, 1 is the denominator of the third term and 4x square is the LCM, one number of times is of 4x square terms. 1 into 4x square is of 4x square, minus numerator 4 is written as it is, into x number of times. So here x square can be split as 4x into, so here we have to divide LCM by means of this x. So here 4x square divided by, so 4x square divided by this x will give us the quotient, that is 4 into x square can be written as x into x divided by x. So 1x gets cancelled, that is equals to 4x. So here x into 4x is nothing but 4x square. So here 4x into x, that is x into x is x square, that is 4x into x is of 4x square, plus numerator 1 is written as it is, into 4x square and 4x square, 4x square 1 is of 4x square. So here based upon this logical step here, I got here 4x as the quotient. Then the next logical step will be of, that implies, so here for further simplification there is dot, that is into in between, I mean 9x square and 4x square, 9 4s is of 36. X square into x square is of x to the power of 4. So your bases are same, x and x, we have to add up the quotients, add up the exponents. So exponents are of 2 and 2, 2 plus 2 is of 4. So here I utilize the product law. So here a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n, that is 2 plus 2 is of 4, minus, so here the exponent is of 1 here. So 1 plus 2 is of 3, then now 24 4s are. So here we have to multiply 24 into 4. So here 24 with 4. So here 4 4s is of 16 with carry 1. So 4 2s is of 8 and here 1 as 9. So here 96. So x to the power of 1 into x to the power of 2. So here x to the power of 2 plus 1 is of 3 as the product law, plus 19 4s are. So here 19 into 4. So here 4 9s is of 36, carry with 3. So 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. So 76 x square minus 4 4s is of 16. So only just x is there. Then no, plus 1 into 1 is of 1. Overall divided by 4x square as it is. So in this manner, the numerator is of 3x to 36x to the power of 4 minus 96x to the power of 3 plus 76x square minus 16x plus 1, and the denominator is of 4x square. So here, in order to find out the square root, so here we have to find out as per the problem. We have to find out the square root as per the problem. So here square root of the given So the given expression is of, the given algebraic expression is of 9x square minus 24x plus 19 minus 4 by x plus 1 by 4x square is nothing but 36x power 4 minus 96x cube plus 76x square minus 16x plus 1 divided by 4x square. So here we have to find out the square root of the given, that is the given one is of 9x square minus 24x plus 19 minus 4 by x, then now plus 1 by 4x square is equals to. So we have to find out the square root of the result which we got. So here this is the given condition, the given algebraic expression. After simplifying here by taking LCMs, so we got this as 36 x power 4 minus 96 x power 3, then now plus 76 x square minus 16x plus 1 overall divided by 4x square. So we have to find out the square root for both numerator and as well as denominator. So that implies, so square root is applicable for both numerator and denominator. Square root of 36 x power 4 minus 96 x cube plus 76 x square minus 16x plus 1 overall divided by denominator is of root 4x square, because root is applicable for both numerator and denominator. Here the numerator is of under root 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms divided by, so denominator is of, say, root of 4x square. We have to find out, we are going to find out the square root individually. So now numerator, so the numerator is of square root of 36 x to the power of 4 minus 96 x cube, 36 x to the power of 4 minus 96 x cube plus 76 x square minus 16x, 76 x square minus 16x plus 76 x square minus 16x, then now plus 1. 76 x square minus 16x plus 1 is the numerator. In the similar manner, we have to find out the denominator root also, that is root of 4x square. So, but first of all, we are going to find out the square root of the numerator by the method, that is division. So, we are going to find out the square root of this particular numerator by means of the division method.